A court-martial now underway at Fort Carson for a soldier accused of sexual misconduct of a girl beginning when she was 12 and continuing for many years. KRDO News Channel 13 Sydney Stell joins us live from the Mountain Post, where the soldier was stationed until very recently. Sydney.
Sergeant Major Benito Perez was a top enlisted soldier here at Fort Carson from 2017 to 2020, but accusations of his sexual misconduct began long before he got to Colorado. We do want to warn you, though, some of the details of this story can be graphic. This is Sergeant Major Benito Perez cheering at his change of responsibility ceremony last January when he left Fort Carson. That was a year and a half ago. Now he's back, but this time the occasion is much darker. He's accused of years of sexual misconduct. The incidents span several states and one even took place overseas. Perez's charge sheet, obtained by KRDO, details 10 separate charges of alleged misconduct. The first dates back to 2008 in El Paso, Texas. The victim appears to have been a girl around 12 years old. The document alleges Perez coerced the child into undressing below the waist. It also said he exposed himself to her several times and touched her inappropriately several times between 2008 and 2009. From there, Perez faces another charge of similar behavior with the same girl in Oklahoma from 2009 to 2011. While Perez served overseas in Kuwait from 2013 to 2014, he reportedly continued to contact the same victim. She would have been around 17 at the time. He's accused of talking to her inappropriately online. By 2016, when she was a legal adult, he continued to message her while he was stationed in Indiana and ask for explicit pictures. The document says that type of language is, quote, of a nature to bring discredit upon the armed forces. Perez is facing 3 additional charges for similarly explicit messages to the same girl, one of them from 2017 after he moved to Colorado. The final charge alleges inappropriate communication from April of 2019 to July of 2020 with a private first class in his command while Perez was stationed at Fort Carson. He's accused of calling and texting her regularly, asking her to send him pictures of herself, consistently ordering her to closed-door meetings and to his home after work hours. He's also accused of hugging her and touching her on the leg. Now, Perez's court-martial officially began today, but it was mostly procedural. Tomorrow, we'll see the start of that trial with opening statements. I'll be in the courtroom to bring you the very latest. Live at Fort Carson, I'm Sydney Stell, KRDO News Channel 13.